Welcome to my channel, Assetimages. This channel is a journal to my adventures, whether it's seeing wonders of the world, attending local events, exploring in and around my hometown, or just baking my heart out. At its core, it's a platform to share and exchange ideas and inspiration. Although this channel started out about travel, life is not static, so I want to be flexible. The journey is the adventure, not the destination. So click that subscribe button below to come along with me for a different point of view. Click the like button and share with your family and friends for videos that inspire you. And for real-time updates, check out my Instagram page. As we explore new horizons and head out to new adventures, please remember, be kind, stay safe, and take care.